Hey Tigers, welcome back. From rainy days
to Hoko nights,
we bring the stories to keep you updated and informed.
This is Tigerland.
Welcome back to a new season of Tigerland. Feeling a bit under the weather? Literally? Protect your fellow Tigers from the rain and donate a poncho to the Poncho Drive. Visit Miss Jed in room 2158 to donate. The more we receive, the more we'll be able to give away. The ponchos will only be $1 or less, and if you need a poncho on a rainy day, visit the front office and ask for one. These Friday night performers know all about weather inconsistencies. See Bo Cochran go undercover with Cheer to learn about its inner workings.
With the world in a fragile state, the human race must adapt to survive. One student is about to take extreme action to stay ahead of the game. This is Undercover Bo.
My name is Bo Cochran. I'm a senior here at Consol.
Over the past 2 years, Bo has immersed himself deeply in the countless cultures Consol has to offer. Now, he's ready to go undercover to get the inside scoop on the best clubs and classes offered here on campus.
They're all so in touch with their art and their craft and themselves. And that's why I'm always willing to learn more about what they do.
To better understand what it means to be a Tiger, Bo will be going undercover in Cheer.
You know your skirt's on backwards, right?
Bo will be joining the cheerleaders in their day-to-day activities.
Move that ball down the field and win. 2, 9. Green. Light.
We have a lot of enthusiasm, we have a lot of spirit. We have a lot of young girls this year, so we're really building the program back up. It's gone through several coaches over the last few years, and we've had some fantastic folks who've worked with Cheer. I think that we are really focusing on some basics. We're back to, because of COVID, we're not stunting this year. And because of that, we are doing a lot of learning cheers for sideline stuff and making a lot of noise.
This cheer team is super successful. We are very good at working together as a team. We love each other a lot, and I feel that we've come a very long way since I started freshman year.
Do you think he'll be a good addition to the varsity cheer team?
No.
I think that, having other people encouraging you, they're a very supportive team, so they want to see us do our best, but I also think that they want each individual person to put forth their best.
Cheer's proving to be a lot harder than I could have anticipated, and I don't know, they're all just really good and good at cheering and being cheerful, and I'm not. Guess that's why they're cheerleaders.
At the end of his enlightening journey, it's finally time for Bo to reveal himself as himself.
Hey guys. So, I'm not actually a cheerleader. My name is Bo Cochran, and I was sent undercover to find out more about cheer. I cannot express how grateful I am to have gone on this amazing journey. Thank you, Cheer, for welcoming me and all who love you into your loving arms. And also, thanks for cheering all the sports games. It means a lot. If you want to see your cheerleaders in action, go to any football game to see Cheer represent our Tiger Nation. Tune in next time to see Undercover Bo go on more crazy adventures. Have a safe trip home.
Looking for something to do other than wash your hands? Burnt through your entire Netflix catalog? Watch Cuties? Well, why not try something a bit out of your comfort zone and go see Tiger Theater's new production of Wendy and Peter Pan, premiering on November 14th and 15th. The show will be performed at the Wolf Pen Creek Amphitheater or at the tennis court parking lots outside the school. The play features Tom and Wendy venturing off to Neverland with Peter Pan, but as the tale plays out, Wendy rises to be an independent warrior, and Pan falls into childish fantasies. Get your tickets and snacks ready as the play will begin around 7 p.m. at both dates. Wondering why these performances are outside? Here's Curlin with COVID-19 updates.
Taking your mask off even for a second can compromise our air, leaving us vulnerable to COVID. Masks can be uncomfortable, but wearing your mask shrinks the chance of you getting COVID significantly. One of the most important things is to know the symptoms, in which includes chills, coughs, headaches, diarrhea, nausea, sore throat, and even loss of taste and smell.
So a virus is a sub-microscopic entity that infects living creatures, and it can only live if it's inside a host. So COVID-19 is a SARS virus, sudden acute respiratory syndrome, meaning that it attacks your lungs in a very, very specific way, and it overwhelms the respiratory system, makes it not function like it's supposed to. So viruses are usually spread by some form of vector, and a vector could be, it's basically a way that things are transmitted. So we can have like animal vectors where a virus is spread through mosquitoes. In this case, our vector or way of transmission for the COVID virus is water and water droplets. But what the mask does is it basically stops those water droplets with the virus possibly in it from entering my respiratory system and my mouth, my digestive system, and getting down into it. It also stops it from exiting, right? So this mask is a barrier. There's literally a wall of protection between me and the person standing next to me. And so masks don't only protect you from other people, but they protect other people from you.
Remember to keep your mask on, social distance. This has been Curlin Robertson on COVID-19 updates. See you soon.
Hi Tigers, welcome back to the Sports Corner. Get up and get out for all the homecoming events coming your way this November. The first one we have is on September 4th from 7 to 8 p.m. It's the Spirit Night, featuring performances from our very own Consol Bingle Bells, Tiger Band, and Cheer. And we were going to have the traditional senior lighting on the football field. Following that Spirit Bonanza is the Homecoming Carnival, Friday, November 6th, where clubs will be able to show off their enthusiasm in communities. That same day, there will be a homecoming halftime presentation at a varsity football game against Lake Creek starting at 7:30 p.m., where the homecoming court will be announced. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. The homecoming dance is scheduled on November 7th on the practice football field. All homecoming events will enforce COVID-19 guidelines and follow regulations such as wearing masks and social distancing. Mark your calendars for all the homecoming events coming your way this November. In other news, the Tiger tennis team volleyed their way into the season with a district win. After hours of lightning delay, the AMCHS varsity tennis team managed to defeat Katie, Brian, College Station, and Jordan 18-1. Way to go, Tigers. This makes their tally for the season 4-0. Tiger Cross Country ran their first meet on the 12th. taking home second place. Also recently took home the first place trophy at the Waller Bulldog Invitational. But with both of the teams doing great, we hope to see some Tigerific things in their prospective seasons. Now here's Nathan with Scoop and Score.
I know we just signed the deal, but I need my advance on the next one too. They know I'm doing it. And they need some really big rings. They need some really nice things. Better be coming with no strings.
Alright guys, I've snuck into the football field house to go and try out for football. Now all I need to do is get into the locker room. Oh, hey Coach Fedora. Are you excited for this season?
Well, I'm excited that we're getting to play. You know, that's what it's all about, and we're just waiting to see what it's going to be all like once we get to go up against an opponent, which we get to scrimmage this Thursday, and that's what we're waiting to see. But, you know, right now the kids are working hard, playing hard, but, you know, with this corona stuff and some people being quarantined in our school district and doing that, we're having to make adjustments each and every day, but we're going through it all.
All right, thank you for your time, Coach. Football practices every day endlessly to prepare for their scheduled games coming up starting on September 24th at 7 p.m. at Waco University. The players have been working endlessly on their craft and make sure they are in tip-top shape. Thanks for that. What's the football team doing to prepare for the season with the COVID-19 restrictions?
We're taking extra precautions at every point we can. We're taking up more space on the sidelines, and we're forced to wear masks at all times.
Hey, that's some good stuff right there. You heard it here first. Nathan Smith coming in with Tim Chandler.
Now that I've tried my hand with football, let's see what volleyball has to offer.
Hey guys, we're here with Coach Connor, the head coach of the A&M Consolidated volleyball team, and I'm just here to ask him a couple questions. So, Coach, how have y'all been dealing with the COVID-19 restrictions on the season?
You know, we've been dealing it pretty well. This summer was kind of grueling, getting to learn all the rules and everything, but I've really had no complaints from the girls, and that's all I can really ask for is, I mean, they're wanting to play, I'm wanting to play, and they're doing everything they can to go forth, so.
This fall season, the volleyball and football teams are rising up as their season starts. So y'all make sure to go out and support them. This is Nathan Smith signing off, and have a Tigerific day.
Hey guys, as you know, it is spooky season, so we have some pretty nice weather coming up. On Thursday, it's going to be a high of 81, and it's going to be partly cloudy. On Friday, it's going to be a high of 82, and it's going to be nice and sunny. And on Saturday, it's going to be a high of 84, and it's also going to be sunny. Sounds like pretty nice weather. So go outside, it's nice, get that pumpkin spice. And this is Molly with your weather, signing off.
My name is Sarah Halal, and I am a very good person. I've decided to use my kindness and compassion to improve the poor conditions of A&M Consolidated High School.
This is Sanitation Report.
Bathrooms, the one thing in this world we can't live without. Every day, millions of Americans waddle desperately in a mad dash to make a deposit in the porcelain bank.
This is a teacher's bathroom, the true standard for sanitation at A&M Consolidated High School. Compared to what students have to go through, this is an oasis in a desert full of toilet abuse.
My mission, to find the number one for your number two. The plan, simple. I'm going to take to the streets using the scientific method to find the best student restroom here on campus. But before I could find the best place to feed the turtles, I knew I was going to need an expert's help. So I met up with Zane Krenhop, Consol's very own eponymous bathroom connoisseur, who has dedicated his life to documenting bathrooms.
So how often have you been taking these pictures?
I'd say around freshman year. I just sent a picture of something every time I thought it was funny.
Which bathroom is the worst bathroom, you think?
I'd have to say the one that is outside the tiny English hallway, where Mr. Williams would be. That leads up to that. The boys' bathroom there is always locked, almost always, constantly.
Which bathroom do you personally go to take care of down there?
I'd say the bathrooms for the gym, the large bathrooms that are located near the basketball courts, those are usually super clean.
The one next to the bell?
Yes.
After that first-hand witness from the man himself, I decided to do some searching, bowl searching, if you will.
All right, guys, we're outside one of the cleanest bathrooms of A&M Consolidated High School. Now, prepared for the worst, but whatever we see inside of there is going to be the truth. I really don't think it's going to be that bad, but let's suit up. Get my zipper. Let's go. All right. Off the bat, do you feel that? What? Dude, there's definitely something going on here. There's like some kind of aura. I'm not even sure I can show this on camera, but the people need to see. What is that? Some kind of bacon?
That was worse than I thought it would be. I decided to take a more grassroots approach to get more information from a fresh source.
All right, state your name and your race.
Red Larson, Caucasian.
Okay, all right. So what do you think about the bathrooms around A&M Consolidated High School?
Nasty.
They're nasty.
I don't use them.
And why not?
Because I'd rather go at home.
Okay, and is there a reason for that?
I just like my privacy.
Okay, there's no privacy in the school bathrooms?
I kind of go behind the school and, do my business there.
The worst is that small cafeteria one.
What's the worst thing you've ever seen in a school bathroom?
I had walked in because I had to take a number 2, and it was like dookie all over the place with tissue in it.
The one by the gym's a good one.
Okay, the Bengal Bell bathroom?
Yeah, I think so.
The one next to the cafeteria.
Well, I'll catch you around.
The answer was clear. I decided I needed to see this Bell bathroom for myself.
All right, guys. We're outside of what, according to you guys, is the best bathroom of all of A&M Consolidated High School. The Bengal Bell bathroom. Let's go in. I'm a bit more nervous than I thought it would be. What about you guys? You guys nervous or? No. Okay. All right. You wanna? Maybe we can hold hands or? No. Okay. All right. You got this, Sarah. Well, there you have it, Tigers. The next time you need to drop the anchor, make sure you make your way towards the Bell bathroom near the basketball courts.
That's all for now.
See you next time.
Hope you find your safe place.
This is Tigerland.